This article is a product of a little bit of research I did on commentaries, Bible commentaries from about the 1650s through to the end of the 20th century. And in it, I looked at probably about 20 to 30 Bible commentaries, half of which were before 1850 and half of which were after 1850. And I noticed a very common pattern. Those prior to 1850 were always saying that the creation was a six-day recent creation. And they all said that the flood was a universal flood. And they often quoted the tribal legends that had been discovered over the recent history and also the ancient histories of Rome, Greece, etc., to show that the world had always known there had been a recent worldwide flood, as evidence that there was in fact a worldwide flood as described in the Bible. However, it was very noticeable that from around about 1870 onwards, confidence in a recent creation disappears and you start to get talk of an old creation in the commentaries on Genesis chapter 1. And when it comes to Noah's flood, you get talk of a recent flood. Not a recent flood, a local flood. All this is what one would expect because in 1830 the academic world rejected the worldwide flood as the cause of the fossils and the rocks and embraced an old earth paradigm. And 50 odd years later, the commentary started to reflect that change. What this shows us is that the idea that creationism is a recent phenomenon dreamt up by American fundamentalists is wrong. The church always believed in a recent creation and a worldwide flood. That's never been in doubt, and certainly that's what the Bible commentary showed. Instead, it is the development of an old earth paradigm in the academic world, which then led to Darwin's theory of evolution, that created this uncertainty and this sort of catastrophic collapse in confidence in the historical accuracy of the first 11 chapters of Genesis. I believe the evidence I've laid out in this website shows that we do not have to lose that confidence, that in fact Genesis chapter 1 to 11 is accurate and we can trust it. Well, thank you for listening.